In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 proven ways to go viral on TikTok. Before I get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I will go ahead and I will reply and get back to you. So as you noticed, I've added this microphone over here so the audio quality could be better. Let me know in the comment section if that is okay. With that said, let's jump into the video. So the very proven method for you to go viral on TikTok is by building curiosity before telling the viewer. So not telling the viewer exactly what you're going to talk about actually keeps them watching the video, and that will have a lot of watch time. And by the time that they're already in like 10-15 seconds in the video already has a lot of watch time, and then it goes viral. Because with TikTok, the algorithm of TikTok is very new and it's based mostly on watch time. So in order to build curiosity before telling the viewer, you want to make sure you work really sometime on your hook. What you say in the first 3 seconds of the video. Really spend a lot of time coming up with a nice title that grabs their attention. Revealing something weird in the beginning. Make it something intriguing, curiosity in the beginning, where you don't tell them what you're gonna say. If it's making money online, you tell them a way that's to make money online, but you don't reveal to them how it's done. You just basically reveal this strange way of doing it, and then you talk and you go throughout the video, and they have curiosity, they keep watching the video, and therefore it will go viral, right? And what you could do is look at other niches, other things that go viral on the internet. You can go to YouTube, Reddit, take that idea and apply it into your TikTok video. So this method is building curiosity before telling the viewer what it is. So you talk about something intriguing, something weird, something that's unique, but you don't tell them what it is, because the thing is, most people on their hook tell the person what the video is going to be all about. So that's not what we want to do. We don't want to reveal to them what it's going to be all about. We want to say something. That's why you need to work on your hook, something very intriguing, something weird, and then you talk about it, but you don't reveal it quite yet. When these people making YouTube videos and all on the internet, they tend to, at the end, they're gonna give you the best stuff, so you keep watching. That's the same concept you want to do this with, is you want to give the stuff more at the end of the video, so you keep people watching the video. Because with TikTok, the good thing about TikTok is that you can test different headlines, different methods, and different videos, branches of videos, and you'll see how they perform. Because sometimes it's just the way you say your hook in the beginning, the way you say it, you can change just a bit, and it will make a big difference, a big impact. And that brings me to number 2 way for your video to go viral, proven way. It's by utilizing the same viral intro over and over again. And this works really well, and I see a lot of people doing. Just to give an idea, I've made videos that got almost 1 million views on TikTok. After a couple of weeks, I post the same exact video, and that same exact video goes viral again. That is because that same intro was very powerful, and the video itself is powerful. But utilizing the one intro that is very curiosity based, and that grabs people's attention, and then utilizing that same intro on a lot of your videos really do work amazing. I know people that basically the intro of their video on TikTok, it's always the same intro every time, and they do this a lot on Amazon products. So the person kind of has this look at this weird product. I don't know what it say, but the way that intro is made is so well catching attention that people actually even though they keep watching the same intro, they keep it gets them, you know. And you can do this with TikTok, which is you can even go to other videos on TikTok that has a nice intro, and you basically can go ahead and add that intro into your video. You can do that with TikTok. The idea is that as you play around with TikTok and you have videos that have an intro that grabs people's attention, use that same intro again. Just add that intro and then make the rest of the video, and that will really help you the video go viral. This really does work amazing, really does. So basically using the same viral intro over and over again. And the third proven way to go viral on TikTok is model viral videos. Basically, you go to other TikTokers out there that are doing what you are doing, and you go and you see the videos that it went viral, that got 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 10 million, 20 million views, and basically model that video. And what I mean by model, it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but especially the first part of the video, the hook, it's got to be basically the same, because if it's proven to go viral, you know, the videos go viral because it hooks people right in the beginning. That is the main reason. So you want to make sure that you model viral videos, and you model especially the first part, the hook. And then you can model the rest of the video, make it very similar. And basically, even if you do exactly the same, it might go viral. And if it doesn't go at the first time, you can try it again. Maybe it's because of the way you said it or the way you put it out. So just testing and testing, because TikTok is good for testing. It allows you to do this. You can test multiple videos, and it will not hurt your TikTok account. It's okay, because TikTok is not like, it doesn't show just your audience. Most of the time what TikTok does is it will show your video first to other people, and then goes to your audience. But most of the times it goes to other people and not your audience. I've noticed this. So modeling viral videos, it's a great way to go viral. It does really work. Another bonus here, one of the type of videos that I do myself, and they go viral. Most of them that I do this way, they tend to go viral, is I tell people like this title. I don't know, something with this title, it goes viral, which is, 5 websites I wish I knew earlier, or 10 websites I wish I knew earlier, or 7 ways to make money online, 5 ways to make money online. And then I review each one or each website step by step, without many fluff. And because people want to see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, they just keep watching. And like TikTok, like I said, it's all about watch time. It doesn't matter much the keyword, although it's important if you want to target specific kind of people, like have the specific keyword. But what really matters on TikTok is the watch time. It's everything. So it's all about keeping people watching, and the most important part is the hook, is what will hook people in. And then at the middle of the video, you can build that curiosity so people keep watching the video, right? And that will make sure that the video will go viral, because if you get the video with more than 10 seconds watch time, it tends to go viral. If it's 15, goes more viral. If it's 20 seconds people watch the video, oh my God, it's gonna get so many views. And if it has like 26, 27 seconds watch time, it's gonna go crazy, maybe almost 1 million views, and like that, right? So there we go. Those are the 3 ways you can go viral with TikTok. They all work really well if you just follow them. There you go. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, smash the like button, turn it into blue. If you did not like it, smash the other way around. I'm really grateful to have you here, part of my YouTube channel, Make Money with Fabio. I'm so grateful. Thank you for being part here of my tribe. I like to call my people that I'm doing everything I can to help them as much as possible. And TikTok is an amazing way to grow, not only to get leads, but also to grow other platforms like YouTube. It will really help you grow other platforms, as it's helping grow my own YouTube channel as well. So TikTok is really amazing. I actually did a video on how to make money with TikTok and Builderall, which is a really powerful strategy. And I want to leave the link right here for the video up here, right? And on that video, I share that you want to be posting, at least 1 to 3 videos per day, and that's a good thing that you want to be doing in the beginning, because you want to learn the platform, you want to learn how to use the TikTok and this and that. But I want to tell you about something. Sometimes it's not about the quantity that you put out there, it's more about the quality. Because if you do, let's say, 1 video per week, and each video that you do gets 1 million or 2 million views, that is better than making so many videos and each video gets 1,000 or 2,000 views, right? So if you use the first method that I shared with you on this video, which is build curiosity before telling the viewer, and actually working a lot on your hook, on the title, and get people hooked, and making sure that they keep watching the video. And if you take some time to do this, and maybe instead of spending just 5 minutes to do a video, and you spend just half an hour or an hour, but you do a video that goes viral, then in my opinion, it's better to go the route of 1 per week, or maybe just 1 per day, or even but 1 per week, or just do it. Don't try to force it to make a video, but do what's natural to you. And work a lot on the video, put a lot of effort on the hook, and I find that to be an amazing strategy, which works amazingly if you do it that way. And I will strive to do it that way now. Although I will keep making more and more videos because I'm so used to it, but I will now put more effort on the hook, which is so important, and also building that curiosity in the beginning of the video, so I keep people watching the video. And 1 video, if it gets 1 million views, I can get so much people into my YouTube channel, so much people into my links. I get so many leads, I get sales, I get subscribers, I get more following with just 1 video. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to put that out there so that you can do this. Like, you don't have to do videos every day if you don't want, and still do very well on TikTok if you put in the effort to make a really good video. Okay, so there you go. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much. I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified on my next video. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself, and I will see you next time.